Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I will finally be showing you guys how I install my box braided wig. If you guys haven't seen my box braided tutorial, please stop this video and go watch my previous video so you guys can see how I made this wig. This video was highly requested. I am so happy you guys loved my previous video, which was my box braided wig tutorial, and you guys were so interested to see how I installed this unit. I'm so happy I finally did this video for you guys. This is not a talk to video. Sorry about that, guys. I'll let you guys know why in my future videos. Thanks once again for subscribing to my channel. Feel free to share, like, and get it out there. I promise to upload more and more video for you guys. Thank you once again, and like I always say, please pay close attention so you guys can get the exact result. So yeah guys, I should have just done the regular installment, but I decided to do the ball cap method for you guys. You guys don't have to do this method, but it won't hurt to try. But yeah, there will be some errors, but the end result is flawless. Yeah guys, so I was learning as I was going, so you guys go for it, try it won't hurt. So yeah, I'll stop talking right here. You guys enjoy the video.